everyone, it's Angela from Cake Angel and welcome to another episode of the 12 Trees of Christmas. And today we're going to pipe another buttercream tree, so you'll need some buttercream icing, a tip 21 and a couplet if you choose to use one, a piping bag, some sprinkles and a cupcake. So tip 21 is a star tip and this is the one we'll be using to achieve the effect of the Christmas tree. And when you start piping this, you want to pipe an amount of icing in the center of the cupcake to start with, and this will help to stabilize the tree so that it doesn't fall over when you add a lot of icing to your cupcake. So to form the outside of the tree, we're just doing little stars and then actually swirling them to give a really nice texture to the icing. You want to make your way all the way around to form your first layer. And then we're just going to repeat the process for the next layer. Each layer is going to be slightly smaller each time, and you're going to change the angle of your bag each time as well so that the tree replicates a cone shape. So there's our 2 layers done. Now we're going to add our third, and you can see I'm piping less this time, but still doing that little swirl motion to give it the same detail. I'm going to add my 4th layer. Again, piping really small, and my tip is almost upright this time. And we're just going to keep going until we finish off the tree. And there we go. That's our tree done. You can see there is a lot of icing on this cupcake, but that's okay. The next thing we're going to do is add some decorations, and I'm just using a variety of sprinkles for this. And because the icing has just been piped, you can just tap them into the icing to hold them into place. Now if you wanted to use a Scribe tool or something along those lines, you could to just actually tap them down a little bit further, but they should just sit nicely on the icing when you do them straight away. So just work your way around the tree and make sure you've got enough on there for you. And the last thing I'm going to do is add a little star on top. And there you go, there's our tree completed. Hope you've enjoyed this tutorial showing you another way to use the tip 21 to create a Christmas tree. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.